Police are investigating a series of unusual thefts. Burglars are stealing airbags from people's cars.
Some people waking up today to find their cars on bricks.
Yeah, they were missing their wheels and their tires.
Trucks are now stealing tailgates from the back of pickup trucks.
Okay, this is a 2006 Jeep. It was converted over. Okay, to arm the system, you're gonna hit lock. Locks the arms the alarm. Disarm it is here. Disarm it to track it. If the alarm fires off, you'll get the text notification. We went ahead and gave them the Clifford 3105 with the Viper Smart Start. To arm the alarm, you're gonna hit lock. Disarm it. It's got panic. Okay. This went to the shop and they went ahead and did a little conversion on it. Okay, it's got some nice little neon lights in the bottom. It's pretty cool. It's a nice little toy. So basically, yeah, if somebody opens the door, the alarm will fire off. Okay, any banging around the vehicle, it fires off. We went ahead and gave him the hood pin. I'm gonna show you those neon lights that he went ahead and got. We don't do neon lights, but he did it himself. With a remote control that you can switch the color you want. It's a nice little piece of conversation at a party. What a Jeep event to light it up. This alarm was installed here in Miami, Florida by Auto Alarm Specialists. The numbers are 305-298-4814. That's 305-298-4814. This is in this little custom Jeep. He went ahead and got the Clifford with text alert, GPS, arm and disarm it. You can arm and disarm it anywhere in the world from the app. Thank you for watching this video.